Good morning, America. It is freezing cold out here in Cali. It's like, 39 degrees?
Yep, it's cold for here.
My nipples are hard right now. Well, anyways, we're going to teach you guys how to make over 6 figures without going to college or going to school. Ain't that right, JoJo?
Yes, you can very much make so much money doing this without going to school. And don't get us wrong, we're not saying don't go to school. As a special ed teacher, I would feel like, no, I'm not telling you that. But I do know, as a teacher, that a 4-year college is not for everybody. And you can, go to trade school, or you can start your own business, and you can be successful in life without going the college route.
So it don't matter if you're a dropout or fresh out of jail, you can make 6 figures your first year picking up trash, and that's what we do. So if you're new to the channel, hit that like and subscribe button down below, and follow along. We're about to head out to the first job of the day.
Yeah, we're going to show you how we do it.
So stay tuned. Now let's talk trash in the dump line with Matt, Vic, and the JoJo Lena. And JoJo's gonna start it off.
Yes, because having your own business and starting a business like this is great. You don't have to go to school to do this. You don't have to go to college. You don't even have to finish high school. And it's a business that you can start with no debt. And you don't have to pay back student loans. There's no overhead.
Yeah, all you need to buy is a pickup truck and you're good. Start off with a pickup truck and then eventually buy a trailer. You can park it on the street, and all you're really paying for is insurance, advertising a little bit, some uniforms. So there's really no overhead. Like say if you're gonna start a business and it's a restaurant, you gotta pay the rent, you gotta pay the PG&E, the water, you gotta pay other employees. You can start it off just you doing it yourself and really have no overhead and make some great money.
Yep, and if you already have a pickup truck, you're ahead of the game.
Definitely. You can make instant money. All you gotta do is post ads on Craigslist, Facebook, and you'll be off to a good start.
Yep, you can make immediate cash and have immediate cash flow with a business like this. So we are at the first job of the day, and it is a garage clean out. And sometimes you'll get calls, and that's what you'll do. You'll clean out people's garages. And you may see us rolling around in a $65,000 dump truck, but that is not how we started. We started with just a pickup truck, and you can too.
So the job has changed. They thought that they can get everything in one load plus the stuff in the garage. So we're just gonna work on everything outside. So all the stuff right here is gonna go. All that trash is gonna go. So sometimes they'll show up to jobs and people won't know how much stuff they really have until you start digging through. And they got a lot more stuff than they thought, so it's gonna be multiple loads. So we're gonna do the outside first and worry about the garage next time we come over here. So it's a good paying job, a good morning job. Now, if you're in the trash business, a tool you must have is a DeWalt skill saw. This bad boy comes in handy all the time. And look what the customer gave us. Some agua, and it was an all cash job, baby. What are you reading?
All I want for Christmas is peace on earth and some really cute shoes.
Oh, nice. This lady got a whole lot of shit. It's gonna be more than one load, but we'll do one load a day. So job is complete, and just for the record, just to let you guys know that it is a dirty job, a filthy job, and if you're a lazy sack of shit, you might not be able to handle it. But anyways, how was that?
No, that was a big job. That was a lot of work, but they're my favorite types of jobs in the morning because you kind of knock the big jobs out of the way, and yeah, and it's a really good morning workout. And you warm yourself up and the sweatshirts come off, and now we're ready to roll around.
Yeah, this ain't no desk job. You're out there getting it every single day. So It's a good workout. So what's your prediction of the dump feed, JoJo?
Okay, so some of that wood was really heavy wood. It was called Trek wood.
Super heavy.
And it's supposed to last a lifetime, but I've actually seen it where it warps and stuff, so I don't think I'm ever going to use that stuff. But it's really heavy. I'm going to guess 178.
I'm gonna say 187, so let's see what happens. Now, just for the record, the only other wiener JoJo can ever have in her hand, I know what you guys are thinking, I'm dirty, I'm filthy. No, I'm not. But the only other wiener JoJo can ever have in her hand, ever, is gonna be a deli-style beef stick. You guys are filthy the way you guys think, damn it. So yeah, you ready to get this job done or what?
Yeah.
Let's do it. So since we're talking about wieners today, JoJo, what the hell just happened?
Well, a guy was going pee, but for all to see.
On the side of the damn road. Next time, close your damn eyes. What the hell you doing? Probably beat you with a stick. So look who won. It was the JoJo Lena. And you know how I feel about that, right? Now let's talk trash one more time with Matt, Vic, and the JoJo Lena. Now JoJo, start it off.
Well, just because you can have this business and be very successful at it without going to school doesn't mean you don't educate yourself.
And something you want to do is you want to learn your prices in your area. It's going to be different across the United States, but you want to learn your prices. So something you can do is go to the landfill, go to the dumps, go to every single one, and they'll have a printout of prices, how much it costs to get rid of green waste, refrigerators, stoves, and study that and learn that. Look at it every day and just memorize it so when you guys go to jobs, you'll know what to charge customers. And another thing you need to do too is figure out what your competitors are charging and just be a little bit cheaper. So what you can do is call them up and act like a customer and just figure out what they're charging, but don't be cutthroat, make your money. And another thing is you gotta learn how to sell yourself. When that customer calls you up, you gotta be able to sell yourself to get to the job, and then when you get to the job, you gotta learn how to sell yourself to get the job and get it done. I see a lot of guys posting in these junk groups on Facebook talking about this crackhead got the job, this other guy did it so dirt cheap, they took the job from me. In reality, you never really had that job. So you also gotta learn how to market. Now, if you wanna make big money like the franchise boys, you gotta look like the franchise boys and don't be scared to hit the customer with that price. I know at first it's gonna be kind of hard, you're gonna be nervous, but after a while it'll just come natural.
Yeah, so we're not saying to not go to school and don't go to college. We're just saying that you can have this business and be extremely successful in it without going to school. I know there are junk haulers out there that have gone to school. There's junk haulers that have business degrees. There's junk haulers that were nurses and even police officers. So we're just saying that there is, there's another route other than going to college. College is not for everybody. Some people can't afford to go to college. Some people don't have the grades for college. I work with lots of students, and some of them just struggle to make it through high school, and college is not on their radar. So you can do a trade school and you could be a junk hauler and you can make 6 figures a year without going to college.
You can make damn good money. I know before we started doing junk removal, I'll see those trash guys, I'm like, they ain't making no money. But in reality, they're making a killing out there. So
everybody's got junk.
Hell yeah. And there's a couple guys on YouTube you can watch and learn more stuff from. Is Junk Mob, Tim Doss, you can learn a lot from him. Joseph with Vets Hall, and also my buddy from Let Go Junk Removal, Austin Lee Hires. He's out there killing the game in Florida, so check those guys out too. And yeah.
There's also a really good book to read.
Oh yeah, it's if you haven't read it yet, check it out. It's called Rich Dad, Poor Dad.
And that will give you great advice on what to do with all that money you're making when you start junk hauling.
So yeah, check those guys out, read that book, and you can actually watch it on YouTube for free when you're rolling around and picking up junk, and just get that game, soak it on up, and just learn a lot. So yeah, so we're heading to the next job, guys. So hopefully you guys like this information. If you do, leave it in the comments down below, hauling and balling. Write it down below, hauling and balling.
Oh, also, if you went to school, if you went to college, but you're doing junk removal right now, tell us what you went to college for.
And don't forget to smash that like button either.
So we're at the next job. This person found us on Facebook, and it's actually a bid. She has a couple of couches that she needs removed. Let's see if Matthew locks it in.
So you know what just happened, right? We got the job. Let's do it. You ready?
Yep.
Let's do it. So just like that, 5 minutes later, I made more money than I used to at my old job working there all day. And that was a garage pickup. I love those.
Super easy.
Yeah. Whenever they're in the garage, I love them. Or curbside, I love them. So we're heading to the next one. And it's in Rohnert Park, California.
So we're at the next job of the day, and this person also has couches, and they found us on Yelp.
Now that one part was super tricky. We'll show you the clip right here of the stairs. Do you guys see that, how bad it is? Look at that turn, it's horrible. But we got it done.
Jake with JF Hauling. Quick tip of the day: if you're able to unscrew the legs on your couches, recliners, and sectionals, it'll really help you get up the stairs, out the door, and around the hallways.
Professional, baby. Now it's time to get paid, my favorite part. Yeah. Now another perk of owning your own business is you get tips when you run your own business. What you gotta say about that, JoJo? That's lunch money, baby. Lunch money. So what dumpster are we gonna throw this in?
Theirs.
I'm just kidding, guys. So about 15 minutes later, that was kind of a struggle a little bit.
It was.
Yeah, so what's your prediction of the dump fee?
It was. What's yours?
I'm gonna say $67.
74.
74, you sure?
Yeah.
All right, let's see what happens. So look who won. I swear I was gonna change my bet to the minimum too when I thought about it. The JoJo won. It was only 460 pounds. I was way off. You were off too. See, even the pros are off, guys.
I was higher than you though.
Oh, really?
So you won.
Yeah, baby, I won. And I was gonna change my bet too, so yeah. Winning left and right, baby.
So we're at the next job of the day, and this person is a repeat customer.
So here's the next job. These pictures go right here. This stuff goes. All this stuff right here goes. And there's some more stuff back here that needs to go. This metal right here. These pieces of wood. And a little bit of green waste over there. I don't know if you guys can see it or not. It's right there. Now leave a comment down below if you guys watch these videos and now you're hauling and balling. Leave it in the comments down below, hauling and balling. Now that's one scary ass looking biatch.
listen up. This is the best tip you are ever going to hear, coming from JF Hauling.
Wow, do you guys see how hard these two are working? Hey, Jake here with JF Hauling Junk Removal. Quick tip, keep watching Sonoma Strong with Matthew, Vic, and JoJo. These guys have really been coming up this year. They're getting huge up on the subscribers, creating great content, just got themselves a brand new dump truck. Super jealous of them. Anyways, back to you guys. Don't forget to subscribe. Keep watching and enjoy the show.
So job is complete and we're heading to the next one. And yesterday I was at the dumps and I see my hero. So tell me what you guys think. Check this picture out. Oh my God. So we had another one and it's a farm area and they want to sell their place. JoJo, this might be our next house. What do you think?
Well, it needs some work, but definitely has the room.
Get some pigs, get some goats, places to shoot the bow. So yeah, let's see what they got. It's supposed to be a couple couches. They said we can throw them off the balcony. Fun, fun, fun. I love our beautiful state, California, baby.
Holy crap.
What?
The sun.
Are you serious?
That's okay, I'll just do that.
Look at her, guys. What are you doing? That's genius.
It's so bright out.
Do you
my
guys
God.
see that?
This is
Look
one
at
way to
it.
wear. This is how I want to wear my mask.
Holy shit. She's dead serious too, guys. You learn something new every day.
So I'm smiling because we are at the last job of the day. These people have a recliner, a mattress, and they found us on Nextdoor.
So we done for the day. And the JoJo, what are you doing? Are you done?
I'm done.
Smash that like button if you haven't yet and keep hauling and balling. And yeah, hit that like and subscribe button, damn it. You better do that. So yeah, we made some good money today and I wouldn't change it for the world. Rolling around with this girl right here. So hit that like button, guys.